Hello everybody, welcome to another Vincent Vision. Today I'm somewhere a little different. I am all the way here in Santa Fe, New Mexico, checking out something that has been on my personal bucket list for a very, very long time. I am going to be checking out MEOW. So for those of you who don't know, MEOW is this company that creates all these like interactive, immersive art exhibits all around America. They have one in Las Vegas, they have one in Denver, Colorado, in Texas, and they have one here in Santa Fe. This is the original one that opened up in 2016. Ever since I first heard about this place way back when, I have been wanting to visit, and I am finally here. I have finally made the trip to check it out, so I am incredibly excited to be here. Got to give some love up front though. This trip was possible because of my wonderful Patreon subscribers. You guys helped make this happen, so thank you guys. I love you all. This is going to be a really great experience thanks to your help, and everyone else watching, I'm excited for you guys to check this out with me as well, especially if you've maybe never heard about this place or have been interested in seeing it. I decided to start here at the original. Right now, it's about 10:30 here in Santa Fe. It opens up at 11 a.m. I think I'm like the first person here. I've got all my tickets. I've got everything ready to go. I'm gonna go grab my spot so that I can be one of the first few people here inside MEOW, the House of Eternal Return. Oh my gosh, I'm like the first one here. I'm like so nervous. I feel like I'm walking into a haunted house or something. But this is it. This is the House of Eternal Return. And I guess I just gotta go in, right? Oh my gosh, this is kind of scary. This is like a full-on two-story house. Okay, I know about this fridge. I've seen it, like you can go in here, which is exactly what I'm doing now, and oh my gosh, I've been wanting to go through that fridge forever. What? This is so crazy.
You are okay. Please proceed.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is so awesome. That's me. That means, where am I? Oh, well, okay. I can't figure out where this camera is. I guess it's right there. Oh my gosh, this is just so crazy. This is, I think I have to spend the whole day in here. I don't even know where to begin. Like, there's a little tunnel in here, and I think I'm just gonna go for it and go inside here. You know, right? That's kind of the whole point of this place, is to explore and get lost. You know, the guy up front said, if you're not getting lost, you're doing it wrong. And I don't want to do it wrong. Oh my gosh. No, I think I might have gone up the opposite way. I'm coming out of the washing machine. Okay, back down. Wish me luck. Thank you. What's cool is inside the slide here, it's all clothes. Look at all these clothes and socks. You are in the washing machine. So fun. A couple of fun facts about this MEOW here, the House of Eternal Return in Santa Fe. This is the original exhibit here. This opened in 2016, and this has 70 different rooms spread out between the 2 floors of this building. I got my ticket ahead of time, which is what I would recommend. I went a little further though. I got the regular ticket and like the added bonus package. They have a package where you get like a special lanyard, a pin as well, some coins for like the arcades or the lockers if you need to put stuff away. This was a special trip for me, a special experience, so I wanted to go do it a little bigger and get some more stuff for myself, but I definitely am gonna try to stay here for as long as I can today. Will I have enough time to see it all? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. There is a lot of crawling around here as well, so be ready for that. Whew. But I mean, honestly, this is seriously amazing. Okay, there are a lot of weird steps here, but I'm gonna try to go down here. Just gotta watch my step going down. Oh my gosh, seriously. There's certain things that maybe if you're claustrophobic, you might not like. This definitely feels like one of them. I apologize for the extremely unflattering angle, but it has now led me to somewhere. Okay, I'm looking at cave or something. Oh. Okay. I'd say it was worth it. Whoa. It's like I'm underwater. There's like fish above me. This is awesome. There is an app feature to the Meow Wolf experience. You can download it, and each of the exhibits all around have their own storyline and characters and things like that. I gotta say, it is a lot. It is a lot to try and figure out. And as you would imagine, here in Meow Wolf, it's not exactly linear. So I'm kind of just like grabbing bits and bobs as I go along. Maybe I'll figure the story out, maybe I won't. But right now, I'm very happy just to be exploring this space. It is seriously so, so cool. Saw some people going in here in this bedroom, and now I'm, oh, look at all this. This is so cute. This is awesome. Seriously, I love I love the going from like the fantasy world into the real world. Oh, okay, we can go in here. I was like, what is this? All right, in through the closet, and oh, piano. I wonder if this is actually, oh, it is. Of course, it's off key. You're not going to actually be able to play some music on this, but still very cool. Sounds like Halloween. Once again, narrow space warning as you get through Meow Wolf. It's kind of worth it though, because it leads you to exciting new places, a room I've yet to discover. Whoa, so much going on in here. Really nice is too, this place is very kid friendly. You know, there's small spaces where kids can, ow, kind of go through. Not me though. I gotta get my head hit. Gotta lean into this one here, but it's actually very cool. I am driving a bus that's taking us to anywhere. Let's go to another dimension. Oh, I love this. I feel like I'm in a Will Smith music video. Okay, so my favorite little thing here has to be this phone booth right here. There's a little screen on the phone booth, and I thought that I was gonna like be able to talk to someone over at like another room here, but this actually is to a completely different art exhibit. It's in Oklahoma City, and this is like a live connection to Oklahoma City. So you just have to like be at the right place at the right time, and hopefully someone is in that room in Oklahoma City and you're here and you can pick up the phone and like talk to them. It's so cool. So right now I'm trying this Eye of the Pyramid here. It says 1 in 100 wins. I'm gonna press about for like 15 times now, so maybe I can get lucky. Oh, maybe I'll get lucky and win. Let's see. This is like getting to gamble without losing any money, so that's kind of nice, I have to say. Oh, that one wasn't good. Oh, we're so close. So I did step out of the exhibit for just a second. The way Meow Wolf works is once you leave the building, you can't get in. So make sure you got everything you need. There's lockers if you bring a bag that's too big and you don't want to go back to the car, whatever reason. They have a snack bar and like a bar for drinks. They don't have like actual food here. It's kind of like small bites. So I was able to get like some prosciutto and cheese with cookies and a cola from Omega Mart, which is actually from the Las Vegas Meow Wolf installation. I also peeped into the gift shop as well, which I'm definitely going to come back to once I'm truly done here, but they've got a lot of really cool gear, cool merchandise, including some of the weirder things that you could buy from Las Vegas's Omega Mart. So if you want your tattooed chicken, you can also get it here. But we're gonna head back in, go explore some more, and just check out the awesome Meow Wolf, because I'm having a blast. Found a room with some lasers. It's playing music. I think I'm going to use this guy here to go play some of the games down over there. Okay, I love that they have these like very like time word like Meow Wolf games, and then they just actually have like actual Marvel vs. Capcom 2 and Street Fighter 2. That's pretty cool. It's about 3:30 now. I've been here since 11 a.m. when it opened. I think I have explored my Meow Wolf here, my house of eternal return. I've had my experience. I think it is time for me to return back into the real world. Not before I exit through the gift shop and pick up some gear, because I definitely got to buy some stuff. I'm officially back out here in the real world. I had so much fun in Meow Wolf, and I went a little ham in that gift shop. I popped in there a couple times throughout the trip, and it was just, I don't know, it was very cool. I had a lot of cool merchandise, so I kind of wanted to know, like, ahead of time as I was leaving what I wanted to get. I got a lot of stuff, okay? I got a whole little bag. We're gonna do a little haul here. So first things first, I got this little Meow Wolf pin here. Every time we travel somewhere, we gotta get a pin. This is the building right here. This is the entrance. This is where everything happens, where the magic happens. Then I got this big mug. Now, I'm not a mug getter usually, but this one looks so cool. I have to take it out. It's from Meow Wolf, but it also kind of like gets the whole New Mexico experience that I've had this trip. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fly away. It's really windy now all of a sudden, but check it out. See, that's a cool looking mug, and it activates in the heat. So I will definitely be using this and think about my wonderful times in Meow Wolf. I got Ellison a gift as well. This is a bizcochito scented candle. It's like a Mexican cookie. It smells really good. Lots of strong cinnamon and vanilla. Here, you guys smell. Can you smell that? No, you can't smell it? That's okay. And then I got myself a white Meow Wolf shirt, which is tucked in the bottom of the bag. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's all folded perfectly and I'm a really bad shirt folder, but it's white. They had a lot of really cool shirt designs here in Meow Wolf, but I'm gonna go back to Florida where it's super, super hot, and I want something white. I can't wear a black shirt. I love this place, seriously. Like, this was like such a gratifying experience, such a satisfying experience. All the experiences, all the good ones at least. I really, really enjoyed Meow Wolf, and I had so much fun being here. I'm very grateful that I did this. My only regret is that this trip is so short that I can't go to the other ones. Las Vegas is like 70 miles away, so I could make it to the Omega Mart and see it in one day, but I gotta go back home, gotta go back to the real world. I'm gonna get on out of here. Thank you guys for watching another Vincent Vision. I hope you had fun having fun with me here in New Mexico, checking out Santa Fe. Woo, this is seriously, I had a blast. But I am gonna get on out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and stay weird, New Mexico, woo! I don't know what they say. Bye, guys.